Okay, hey y'all. I'm trying to play around with this mic because I never used it before. I don't even know how to turn it on. We'll just see how this go. I have no clue if y'all hear me through it or not. I'm not sure, but I guess either way, you're gonna hear me through the mic on my camera or through here. So anyway, what I'm about to do is swap my purses. I've been carrying my Speedy 25 and I'm about to change into my Speedy 30 because this is just too tight. Like this opening, I can't really get in how I want to in here. I'm probably carrying too much for it anyway, but I'm gonna just transfer everything into my Speedy 30. I need to do a better job at storing these because look at this. Look at that. Like, I just be, I ain't gonna say I just be throwing this stuff, but I need to do a better job. What the heck is all this white stuff in here? I don't know what all this, I don't even know if y'all can see that, but okay. Oh, I guess while I'm doing that, I could just do what's in my bag. We could do that. I know typically when you do these, I can't let this down no further. I know typically when you do these, you want to see both the bags, but I'm gonna just lift everything out as I go. So I got my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I'm gonna put those in there. I got my favorite chips, the Vintners. If you don't know nothing about these, you don't know nothing about these. These don't be everywhere. You gotta go to the hood, like the hood gas stations, the hood stores, like corner stores actually. Yeah, you really gotta go like to the corner store, like the liquor store to find these because not even all the gas stations, like when you go to the hood, be having them. But yeah, so I like these. These are the Vintners, the crunchy nuggets. I did a what's in my bag years ago. And because I had these, people thought I was from Chicago. This is a Chicago-based chip, but I'm from Detroit. But I love these chips, y'all. I love those chips. Wallet, card holder, keys, and that's broke. I need to get this fixed because my actual whole button is gone. I wouldn't have been able to close it anyway, but I need to get that fixed. I just hate how long they keep your stuff. Like when you do take it to get fixed at the store, they keep it for so long. I have this. Actually, I could take this out and put this in my card holder because this is a gift card that I got at my kids' school for Wendy's. It's $20 on here. So I'm gonna just put this inside my card holder. I have a toilet. I know that probably sounds so freaking crazy, but I get these off Amazon. I keep stacks of these in my cars and a camper and all the cars that we got and a camper and my purses because sometimes you just never know where you need to go. But these are mainly used for the toilet, but like if someone got to throw up or something like that, like you can use this for that too. But I haven't needed to use it for that, like for the kids, but my kids have used these. Oh, okay. And they come in handy when there is no bathroom around or public bathrooms are, those are always 2 thumbs down. So I just keep a little portable toilet with me. And yeah, it has like a gel pack on the inside. It has a gel pack on the inside, so it gelitizes the urine, and then you just toss it in the garbage. I always keep napkins in my car, so that be the tissue, that or the baby wipes, okay? I got this Mio on wine. You just pour this into bottles of water, a couple of squeezes, and it just make your water taste like Kool-Aid. So I got these. This is the berry dragon fruit. My husband put me up on those. I got my other phone. I carry that. I have some 500 from pain relief. You never know when you might get hurt or something. I got mouthwash because I don't want my breath stinking. So I really want to get, I really was trying to find like breath spray. I know people don't carry that no more, but I'm somebody that would like carry breath spray and just to be on the safe side. I'm somebody that's like real self-conscious about that. Like I just don't ever want to be caught stinking. Okay. So I keep mouthwash because this is simple too. I could just squeeze it in, gurgle it around, spit it out, and go on about my business if I need it. And some hand cream, some hard candy, a mirror. My mom gave me this to say you are an amazing woman. But a little mirror. Yeah, magnetized and regular. This thing is actually heavy. This is probably why yeah, because this price was just getting big on me. Got Pepto-Bismol tablets, but because remember I told y'all I was going through some little stomach hurts. Between that my insurance for my weight gain, and coming to find out I was just having too much garlic in my diet and my body wasn't digesting it well. So I got this, but I just got this in case, not this. I carry these just in case, like maybe I'm at a restaurant or something, order something, but I don't really know all the ingredients in it, and then my stomach start hurting. I could just pop one of those and be done. I'm not putting this back in my purse, but some kind of toy from one of the kids. Here, man. Some lip gloss that I just got at the beauty supply like 2 weeks ago. A rubber band. Another little toy. I don't know how that got in there, but that's not going back in my purse. I got this in here too, but I'm gonna say this for last because this is big. A pen. Some candy. The base to my Pocket 3, my camera. This is like to give it like I could sit it on the table or something, like stand it up. This is the base to that. Another piece of candy. My truck key. I'm gonna put my truck key in this pocket right here. I don't need my key in order to start my truck. Just as long as my key is on me, you know, it'll start. So in case I ever just needed it, like, I don't know, somebody was, I don't know. I just keep it separate if I ever need to reach for it quick. It's a random dime in the bottom of here. I have one of my room sprays with me, and I just carry this. It's kind of like a sample that I put. All my orders get some form of a freebie. So some of my orders you might get a room spray. Other ones you might get like a little sample candle or something like that. But I just carry this with me because places be stinking. You know, places just be stinking. And I do this real quick in case I need to just freshen up the area. I make my room sprays to be body safe as well because they're linen sprays as well. They're room and linen sprays. So I make them safe for the body because when you spray them on your linen, say your bed or your pillows, it won't break your skin out. So this actually can be a body spray as well. It actually could be a body spray as well. But I just carry this. It smells so good. This is my scent of Silk Clouds. Cotton and sandalwood are the notes of that. So Speedy 25 is empty, and y'all see this opening. Like, it's really tight. I like this purse because it's small. I'm just, in this moment right now, I'm just carrying too much for it. That's all. Sometimes I be in moments where I'm carrying just necessities only, and as y'all see, I'm carrying a bunch of stuff I probably don't have to have, but I got it like just in case. You know, like I don't have to have that Pepto-Bismol, but I got it just in case. I don't have to have a mirror because I can use the front-facing camera on my phone. Anyway, I got this bag as well. This coming in a Never Fulls. I haven't bought a Never Full, and I don't need to buy a Never Full anyway because I have all the prints minus the white one. But these coming in Never Fulls. I was saying that to say I don't know if these still coming in Never Fulls, but when you buy the Never Full tote from Louis Vuitton, it comes with these little bags as well. So you kind of get 2 bags in one because this do come with like a wristlet. You can carry this as a wristlet. I've done that before too. But right now this is just a catch-all. I just got this Fenty gloss in here. A little makeup brush. I have an edge brush. A comb. I have that what do you call this? That Australian lip stuff, that skin stuff I forget, but I use it on my lips sometimes. Or like if I'm ashy real quick and don't have like lotion. But a company sent me this, but it's like Australian skincare. I have that. I have this little clip in here. What else is down in here? I have Orgel. This is a nose inhaler. I don't even know why do I have it. It's like when your nose is stuffed up and you doing that. I wonder if I was trying to get stuffed up because I feel real open right now. I have my jade roller because homegirl has been working on her skin, as y'all can probably see in some of my YouTube shorts with my real light therapy. But I like this too. And this just like depuffs the face. Well, for me it do. Like, especially when I wake up in the morning, it just depuffs the face. But I don't use this so long that it just like damn near feel good to me. Like a face massage. But it do depuff the face. I don't know how or what it do, but it do. Like I cannot do one side of my face and only do this one side, and this side gets so like chiseled, like my what you call these? Yo, my cheekbones will really like kind of pop on the side. So I like this. In this pocket, this little pouch do come with like a little pocket right here. I had some daytime cold pills because I remember the kids was sick and I was carrying this just to, because the moment I felt like my throat was about to scratch, the moment I sniffled, I was popping things because I don't got time to be sick. But I never ended up using them. But I got this little travel size True Religion perfume. And that is it. And then of course I always have my phone. But I'm not putting that in there right now because I'm not about to go nowhere. This is the strap. Because this is the bandolier style. But this is a strap that you can attach to this to make it longer. Like crossbody. But I like keeping it just like this. Because it sits just right here at the top of my hip. Let me... I don't even know if y'all can see me or not. Stand back. That's how I look. It's really cute. Let me see. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is 25. So you see like how small it is. I don't even know if y'all can see it. I don't got my glasses. But 25 is definitely like an everyday type size of a bag. So that's it for this little what's in my bag video.